In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files or documents to a Weebly website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your Weebly account and head over to the site editor. This is where the magic happens. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top navigation bar and click on the Build tab. This will bring up your design elements on the left side panel. You'll notice a lot of different tools available to you, and we'll be using those tools to make our website even more interactive. Now, to add your document, you'll need to locate the File element. Just scroll through the left element panel until you find it. It's labeled quite clearly as File. Once you see it, you're ready for the next step. Here's where the fun part comes in. Click and hold the File element, and then drag it over to the area on your web page where you want your download link to appear. This could be anywhere, maybe in the middle of a paragraph or at the bottom of a section. Position it where it makes the most sense visually for your visitors. All right, now that you've dropped the file element into place, it's time to upload your document. Simply click directly on the File element box that you just placed. A configuration menu will pop up, and you'll see an option labeled Upload File. Go ahead and click that option. This will open up a window that allows you to browse through your computer. Choose the document you'd like to share. This could be a PDF, a worksheet, or maybe even a spreadsheet file. Once you've found it, select it and confirm the upload. Give it just a moment for the upload to finish, and once that's done, take a look at how it sits on your page layout. Is it where you want it? Does it look good? Adjust the placement if necessary. It's always good to double-check that everything is visually appealing and easy for your visitors to find. And finally, once you're satisfied with how it looks, don't forget to make your download link live. Click the Publish button. This is important because until you hit Publish, none of the changes you've made will be visible to your audience. Now, when your visitors click that link on your live site, the document will automatically download straight to their devices. It's as simple as that. They can access the materials they need without any hassle, enhancing their experience on your site. So that wraps up our tutorial on how to add files or documents to your Weebly website. Once again, if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like it so